Ho ho ho! Hello everybody, welcome to my crochet nook. I'm Linda and today is day one of the Masquerade Advent calendar, which I purchased from Reggie over at J Hook Crochet. I will put her Etsy link in the description box below, and in the package I've boxed everything up. So in the packet this is what we got. And I got a mask. Woohoo! A nice beautiful lace mask. Isn't that pretty? I'll take it out the bag if I can get in the bag. Scissors. Scissors. So I plan on oh yeah, I don't need scissors. I plan on doing open Advent video every day until Christmas, even on Christmas Day, guys. So this is the mask. Oh, this is the mask. Isn't that lovely? So so we got the mask, and we got the Advent calendar, which includes 24 20 mini hanks, 100-gram hank, which is for Christmas Day, and complimentary extras. And this is my little bag of extras, all nicely wrapped up. So let's see what we've got, guys. So ooh. I've got tea in a zinc fruit tea. So this one, so this is called Inner Balance, Inner Sunshine, Active Power and Beautiful Dreams. And then I have got a nice hand cream, rose hand cream. Oh, a scented candle, guys, but look at the little oh, that is lovely. I think I'll be doing that. Oh, really nice tin for the candle. Even if you just left that off and you put that on, really smell it nice. And then I've got a little, I think this might be, oh look, guys, isn't that pretty? It's like a little brooch. Oh, that is really nice. I like that. That's nice. So let's get down to business. And and I believe, oh, so with these I've actually got a pattern for a shawl, and that, oh wow, there's a shawl pattern, guys, and you use the skeins to make the pattern. And there's a knit version as well. Wow. Oh, wow, guys. And it says, want to win a special prize? Snap a picture of you wearing your masquerade shawl with your masquerade mask on, and post a picture on J Hook Crochet Facebook group or Instagram, or both. And each post equals one entry, and on the 1st of February 2022 the winner will be picked. Oh, that's an incentive, isn't it, guys? So shall we get into it and thingy? But look at all them, aren't they all? They're all individually packed. I will take a photograph and put it at the end of this video. So we want number one. Look at these little sacks, aren't they brilliant? So number one, let's see what colour we've got today. so excited. Oh, look at this. Look at this. And it's got stellina in, I think you call it. Isn't that gorgeous? There's pinks and whites and lemons and oranges. That is beautiful. Oh my word, I am really pleased with that. Oh guys, that's gorgeous. So that is Advent Day number 1 complete. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget the thumbs up, guys. Like, share and subscribe if you're new here, and I hope to see you tomorrow. Bye for now.